Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to resolve the Windows Defender error code 0x800704ec that you're experiencing on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. The full error message reads that an unexpected problem occurred. Install any available updates and then try to start the program again. For more information on installing updates, see help and support error code 0x80050800C. So first thing we're going to do is just restart our computer. So just go ahead and actually restart your device here. And while we are restarting, I'm going to mention the second suggestion would be to uninstall any other third-party antiviruses you have on your computer. If you have any other potential conflicts with different antivirus software, I recommend uninstalling it at least temporarily to see if then your issue is resolved. So if this didn't work, I recommend at least disabling it or preferably uninstalling it and then just seeing if that might have been able to resolve the problem. Something else we can attempt here as well would be to open up the search menu and type in CMD. Best match, come back with command prompt, right click on it and select run as administrator. If you receive the user account control prompt, go ahead and select yes. And now I will have a couple commands in the description of my video. I want you to copy the first one. It's a system file checker utility scan. So go ahead and copy that and then go up the top bar of the command prompt window here, right click on it, select edit and then select paste to paste it in. Go ahead and hit enter to begin the system scan. This will take a couple minutes to run, so please be patient. Okay, so now copy the second command and go ahead and paste it in the same way you did the first one and hit enter. Okay, so once that's done, go ahead and close out of here and restart your computer. And there you go, guys. Hopefully it was as simple as that, and hopefully your issue has been resolved. So, as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.